everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another Glam DIY project. Who doesn't love Audrey and Marilyn? And I took them and gave them a makeover on a serving tray. I hope you enjoy. I picked up this serving tray from my local reject shop and it was just $9. I love the style of it, but it was just the wrong colour. So taking my favourite spray paint by Rust-Oleum in the colour Gloss Candy Pink, I took it outside and gave it 2 coats. Once it was completely dry, I printed out 2 prints from Google of Audrey and Marilyn where they're blowing bubblegum. Taking a pair of scissors, I cut around each of their faces. Taking some Mod Podge, I then got a paintbrush and basically put a thin layer over the entire top of the tray. I then folded a piece of paper and I just air dried it. You want the glue to be slightly sticky but slightly dry. By doing it this way, guys, it will prevent air bubbles. Once you've positioned Marilyn and Audrey in place, I'm using an old sock here just to make sure that the air bubbles are completely smoothed out. Be extremely careful here, guys. Just remember, this is paper and can tear easily. I waited about a half an hour until they were completely dry. Then taking the Mod Podge again, I put an additional 2 layers over the top. Once that was completely dry, I took these beautiful white fake flowers that I picked up off eBay, and to make a decorative edge on the tray, I hot glued them in place. To give Audrey some extra sparkle, I took these little decorative adhesives that I picked up from a dollar store and I glued one as each earring. I then also took this toy tiara, guys, and I cut it from the base and just hot glued the little tiara to the top of Audrey's hair. I then took this gorgeous, beautiful, blingy brooch that I picked up from bedazzled.com and I removed the back of the brooch and hot glued it to the top of Marilyn's hair. And here is my decorative serving tray, all decorated with Marilyn and Audrey. Guys, being a glam girl at heart, Marilyn and Audrey are my icons. They are absolutely gorgeous women from a bygone era, and I love everything about them. Just by taking a few simple ideas and a $9 serving tray, I was able to give it a complete makeover with an Audrey and Marilyn theme. I'm often asked, guys, how to decorate on a budget. Here is a prime example of taking something that just happened to be in the wrong colour. By bringing it home and giving it your own personal touch, you will get the look that you're after. The royal wedding is tomorrow night, guys. Who will be watching? I know I will be. I'll have my little serving tray, my popcorn, and my little glass of Coca-Cola in my champagne glass. Shh, don't tell anyone. And I'll be watching that beautiful royal wedding. Again guys, the possibilities are endless with this DIY. Just by changing up the colour and the logo, you could personalise this DIY to your own style. This would look amazing in a glam beauty room. It'd be the perfect tray to store your makeup as well as your hair accessories. You could also use this in a glam kitchen. Just by adding 6 beautiful crystal glasses and a bottle of champagne, you instantly have that glam look. You could also style this in your bathroom. Add some soap dispensers, some decorative soaps, and possibly a little hand towel that you could tuck over the handle. It would come together beautifully in a glam bathroom. So thank you so much for watching guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to decorate your own serving tray and give it that decorative touch that you're after. I'm off to get my popcorn and my pretend champagne and prepare myself for that beautiful royal wedding. Leave a comment down below what type of dress you think Megan will have. So until next time my friends, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.